Today's topic is SEO mastery for home remodeling businesses. And we're going to talk about this whether you're on the local level or you're looking at SEO mastery on a national level. You see, in the home remodeling industry, it's obviously very competitive, and standing out can definitely feel like you are moving uphill. So having an excellent reputation is simply not going to be enough because your potential clients need to find you online before they find your competitors. Being the first one in line, the first one who is visible, is critical. And this is where search engine optimization, or SEO, plays such a pivotal role. So whether you're a local contractor focused on a single area or a large remodeling company with national reach, mastering SEO is the key to attracting and converting more clients. So today we're going to explore how you can use SEO to grow your business and create a digital presence that is impossible to ignore. Some of the things we're going to be looking at in our time together today is the fact that SEO is essential for your growth. We'll be talking about on-page SEO as the foundation of your SEO strategy. We'll be talking about enhancing your credibility with off-page SEO. And we'll talk about bringing nearby clients to you through the use of local SEO. And then how to scale your reach with national SEO. And then, of course, we'll talk about tracking and adjusting the strategy as part of the ongoing process. Because SEO requires consistent effort. And then we'll talk about the importance of having professional guidance when needed to really fine-tune your SEO strategy. So with that, let's go ahead and dive in and let's get started with the basics of SEO, or search engine optimization. At its very core, SEO is all about making your website more visible to the potential customers who are searching online. When homeowners type in searches like bathroom remodeling near me or kitchen renovations in a certain city, SEO ensures that your business appears at the top of those search results. And of course, Google, being the most popular search engine, evaluates websites based on a criteria called EAT. And EAT actually has two E's. And what that means is experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. Let me say that again. Experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. And so by aligning your website with these criteria, you build credibility with both the search engines and your potential clients. So to put this in perspective, SEO helps you stand out from the competition, attract high quality leads, and establish trust with homeowners who absolutely need your services. Now, when we look at SEO, there is on-page SEO and off-page SEO. So let's start with on-page SEO, and this is where we build a strong foundation. You have to remember your website is the most important digital asset you have. It is the most critical piece of online real estate in your toolbox. And so on-page SEO ensures that it's not just attractive, but also optimized to rank well on the search engines. And so the starting point of on-page SEO is keyword research. Think about the words and phrases that potential clients might type into Google. These are your keywords. So for example, affordable kitchen remodeling in your city would be a keyword or a key phrase. luxury bathroom upgrades would also be a search keyword. And to help you figure out what keywords are most appropriate, you want to use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to discover high-value keywords. A good mix of both broad and specific long-tail keywords are going to ensure that your site appeals to a wide audience. And you also want to create content that answers questions that are in the consumer's mind. So your content should anticipate and answer customer questions like, how much does a bathroom remodel cost? Or, what are the latest kitchen renovation trends? And then around those questions, you want to write blog posts, service pages, and FAQs that integrate these keywords and questions naturally. Also, don't forget to optimize your meta descriptions and headers with relevant terms related to these keywords and questions. The next factor that you want to be thinking about on page is mobile optimization and site speed. You have to remember, many homeowners are searching for contractors on their phones. And so a mobile-friendly website that loads quickly is not an option. It's absolutely critical. So tools like Google Page Speed Insights can help you identify areas for improvement when it comes to these criteria. And here's a pro tip for you. Use high-quality images with descriptive alt tags to enhance accessibility and improve your rankings. Now, once you've got your on-page SEO solid and well-rounded, you want to move to the off-page SEO and build your online authority. So focusing on the off-page strategies are going to boost your credibility and ultimately bring more traffic to your site. So the time-tested piece of this is building quality backlinks. And backlinks, or links from other websites to yours, are a signal to Google that your site is trustworthy. Think of it as a vote. And here's how you get those. For example, you can partner with local suppliers or home improvement blogs for mutual promotion. Or share valuable content like top 10 kitchen remodel ROI tips that others will simply want to link to. And then, of course, you want to leverage online reviews. Remember, reviews can make or break your business. So you want to encourage happy customers to leave reviews on Google, on Yelp, on House, on Facebook, and then remember to respond to those reviews, good or bad, because responding shows potential clients that you care about feedback and you care about your reputation. And then be sure to boost engagement on social media. Share compelling updates, such as before and after photos, on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Because not only do these social interactions enhance your brand visibility, but they also drive traffic to your website, which is going to boost your search engine optimization. And once you've done that, then you want to focus locally. And what local SEO is going to do is it's going to help you win clients in your area. So if your remodeling business serves a specific region, Local SEO is going to help you attract clients who are nearby. So first and foremost, be sure to optimize your Google business profile. Think of your Google business profile as your online storefront. Keep it up to date with accurate information, including your business hours, your services, and I can't stress this enough, high quality images. Use Google Posts to share promotions like spring specials, 10% off of bathroom remodels, and then updates of projects you're currently working on. Be sure to write locally focused content. Blog about topics that are relevant to your community. For example, the most popular home renovations in your city, or what to know before renovating in a particular neighborhood. Locally relevant keywords and topics are going to improve your chances of appearing in searches for area-specific remodeling services. And then you also want to ensure that there is consistency in the local business directories. So make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across all directories, from house to Angie's List, because inconsistent information is going to confuse Google and it's going to hurt your ranking. Be sure to use local advertising tools. So complement your organic efforts with geo-targeted ads that reach homeowners in your area. So platforms like Google Ads and Facebook can help you target specific zip codes for maximum efficiency because they will reinforce your visibility in those local areas. And then as you are scaling, there is national SEO to expand your reach. And so if your remodeling company is operating in multiple regions or serves clients nationwide, then national SEO strategies are absolutely essential. You want to create region-specific service pages, which makes your website work harder by creating dedicated pages for each area you serve. So for example, custom kitchen remodeling in California would be an example of a dedicated page for a service area, or whole home renovations in Texas. Each page should highlight the services available in that region, and it should use keywords that are relevant to that audience. And then you also want to build high authority backlinks. So collaborate with national suppliers or partner with influencers in the remodeling industry to gain backlinks from reputable sites to those pages. And then focus on your brand building. I can't stress this enough. Your online footprint matters more than ever, so ensure that your presence on LinkedIn, industry forums, and review platforms reflects your expertise and professionalism. Share case studies and testimonials to build trust with a wider audience. And this is a place where media becomes very important. You may want to consider launching your own podcast, your own YouTube channel, and becoming a topical authority in your industry. And then we want to move on to tracking and improving your SEO performance. So how do you know if your SEO efforts are working? Well, you're going to have to regularly track your key metrics and adjust your strategy accordingly. And the way you do that is you use analytics tools. So first and foremost is Google Analytics to monitor your site traffic and visitor behavior. And then secondarily is Google Search Console to see which keywords are actually bringing traffic to you. And then third-party tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs will help you evaluate your backlinks and competitor performance. And then there are some key metrics that you want to focus on. So look at your organic traffic, your keyword rankings, and conversion rates. For example, if a blog post ranks on page 1 for DIY versus professional bathroom remodels, it should also be generating inquiries. And if you see this, so let me delve into this a little further. If you see that you're getting a lot of momentum from a page like this or an article like this, then you're going to want to create more content around that and create stronger calls to action on those pages. Be sure and refine and update your content, because SEO is not a set it and forget it proposition. So update your old blog posts with fresh statistics and insights to keep them relevant. Run A/B tests on landing pages to improve your conversions. And keep that content fresh and up to date. Give Google a reason to take another look at it. And then you want to take the first step. That's always the way to get going in any process. So here's some practical steps. If you're a small business, use free tools like Google Business Profile and Canva to create eye-catching posts. And then answer customer questions in your blog posts and social media updates. And then if you're a larger company, consider hiring professionals like Remodeling marketing team and use advanced strategies like national link building and content scaling that require a deeper level of expertise, and the ROI will make it worth the investment. So as we wrap up this topic, SEO is more than a tool. It is the foundation of a successful digital marketing strategy. And so whether you're targeting local homeowners or you are expanding to serve clients nationwide, having the right SEO tactics can make your business more visible, more trusted, and more often the choice for homeowners throughout your region. So don't let competitors dominate the digital space. Be sure and take control of your online presence and create a proper SEO strategy for your business. Thanks for tuning in today, and I look forward to talking with you again on the next episode.